Vinyl versus wooden flooring. Which is the best flooring for your home? Dear friends, choosing the right flooring for your home is an important decision because it affects both the look and comfort of your space. Two popular options today are vinyl flooring and wooden flooring. Both have their own advantages, so understanding the differences can help you choose what is best for your house. Vinyl flooring is known for its durability and affordability. It is made from synthetic materials and is highly resistant to water, stains, and scratches. This makes vinyl flooring a great choice for areas like kitchens, bathrooms, and homes with kids or pets. Another advantage is that vinyl flooring is easy to clean and maintain, which saves time and effort in daily life. Wooden flooring, on the other hand, offers a natural and luxurious look. It adds warmth and elegance to any room and can increase the overall value of your home. Real wood floors are very strong and can last for decades if maintained properly. However, wooden flooring requires more care and is sensitive to moisture and scratches. When it comes to cost, vinyl flooring is generally much more budget-friendly than wooden flooring. Installation is also easier and faster. Wooden flooring usually costs more because of the material and professional installation required. So, which is better for your home? If you want a stylish floor that is affordable, waterproof, and low maintenance, vinyl flooring is a great option. But if you prefer a premium, natural appearance and long-term value, wooden flooring may be the perfect choice for your house. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.